All right, so there she is, all done. It's a 2022 F350 Power Stroke. So what have we done to it? So what I've done is the 3.5-inch ready lift. Went with the ready lift, it gives it a nice height. Went with 3.5, just went with the block. This actually only measures out to 3.25. So I might do a little bit, find something to just shim it up, get one more of these. But the biggest reason is everything's brand new, so didn't feel any need to replace the shocks. But I like this lift. Came with drop brackets. You got the drop brackets for your sway bar and your track bar relocation, so it keeps that axle centered. So we went with 37-inch Toyo MTs, and we got the 20x9 with a 0 offset fuel lockdowns. I do wish that the spokes were just straight on those, but I went with these because it kind of gives you that illusion of the deep dish still. I did have to do a little bit of trimming there just on that mud flap. And we'll just let you have a look at the truck here. What else have we done? So the other thing that I did was I got a tonneau cover. I went with this brand called Bison. Wouldn't go with them again. Not super, I mean, it's not bad, but you definitely get what you pay for. I think a Lear or something had a Lear, or even the factory Ford ones. They just sit down a little bit more flush, a little bit better built. And one of the other things was I added these. The 2022s don't come with it anymore. It lights up when you open the door at night. Along with the cup holders, you have to add those. They got rid of some of their ambient lighting in the 2022s, but I got the nice big screen and the 10-speed transmission. So anyways, this is the truck done. Let you have a look. You can see it's still got a bit of a rake to it. Wouldn't mind just that front end coming up maybe another 1/4 inch or so. You can see the poke's not crazy. Truck turned out pretty well, pretty happy. Got those power deploy running boards. You also get a 4-inch block with that 3-inch ready lift. And it came with the amp bumper step as well as the tailgate step. All in all, I think it turned out just what I wanted. I mean, you could go with a 5.5 or so lift, probably look pretty good too. I do like this because in the wintertime it doesn't look ridiculous with those stock tire sizes for your winters, if you get winters. But you can definitely see that rake I'm talking about. You need to bring that front end up. Another 1/2 inch would probably be money. Anyways, thanks for watching. You can watch me install that build and a couple other things we've done to the truck. Thanks for watching DNS Projects. If you wouldn't mind going down to that like and subscribe button. Whatever we're doing, you'll do with us.